In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile photo on Indeed. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Indeed.com. Wait for the site to fully load so everything appears correctly on the screen. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into your Indeed account before continuing, since the profile settings will only be available once you're signed in. Once you're on the Indeed homepage and logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. This may appear as a small photo, an avatar, or a simple circle depending on whether you've already set up a profile image. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, select profile or account depending on what is shown on your screen. Indeed can sometimes label this area slightly differently, but both options lead you to the section where your personal account details and profile information are managed. Clicking this will take you into your profile settings page. When the profile page opens, look for the profile photo icon or avatar circle. This is the image area connected to your account. Click directly on that profile photo icon or avatar circle to begin updating it. This is the place where Indeed allows you to manage or change the visual image associated with your profile. As you go through this process, it helps to move slowly and make sure each page finishes loading before clicking again. If you don't immediately see the option you expect, give the page a moment, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Also, keep in mind that the layout can look slightly different depending on whether Indeed has updated the site design, but the general path remains the same: profile icon, then profile or account, then the photo area. That's all you need to do to reach the profile photo settings on Indeed. From there, you'll be in the right place to continue managing your profile image. Following these steps carefully will help you get there quickly and avoid clicking through the wrong sections of the site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process easy to follow.